Question 13c. The region enclosed by y equals 2 minus the absolute value of x and y equals 1 minus 8 over 4 plus x squared is shaded in the diagram. Find the exact value of the area of the shaded region. The first point to note is that both functions are even, which means that we only need to integrate from x equals 0 to x equals 2, find the area, and then double it. The next point to note is that part of the area is positive, so that's the area bounded by y equals 2 minus x and the x-axis, but the other area is negative, so that's the area bounded by y equals 1 minus 8 over 4 plus x squared and the x-axis, and that needs to be taken into account when determining the total area. Now I've already stated that both functions are even, hence the area is equal to 2 times the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 2 of 2 minus x dx, plus the absolute value of the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 2 of 1 minus 8 over 4 plus x squared dx. And that equals 2 times the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 2 of 2 minus x dx, plus the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 2 of 8 over 4 plus x squared minus 1. So notice that these two terms have been switched around. So in order to turn a negative area into a positive area, I could multiply the integrand by -1 and remove the absolute value symbol. And that's equal to 2 times half times 2 times 2. So that's using the formula for the area of a triangle. And that's only half the triangle. So that's the right angle triangle from x equals 0 to x equals 2. So half the base times the height. Plus 4 times the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 2 of half over 1 plus x over 2 all squared dx minus the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 2 of dx, or 1 dx. Now note that 8 over 4 plus x squared is equal to 8 over 4 outside of 1 plus x over 2 all squared. So I factorized out 4 from the denominator. And that's equal to 2 over 1 plus x over 2 all squared. Also note that the derivative of the inverse tan of f of x is equal to f dash of x over 1 plus f of x all squared. So I'm turning this fraction here into a standard form to help with the integration. Now this fraction here is in that form, f dash of x over 1 plus f of x all squared. So carrying on from this line here, that equals 2 times 2 plus 4 multiplied by the inverse tan of x over 2 from x equals 0 to x equals 2 minus x from x equals 0 to x equals 2. And that equals 2 times 2 plus 4 inverse tan of 1 minus 4 inverse tan of 0, so that's applying the limit of integration, minus 2 minus 0. Now these 2's will cancel. And that equals 2 multiplied by 4 inverse tan of 1, which equals 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by pi over 4, which equals 2 pi square units.